Yo guys, what's going on? In today's video, I'll be showcasing Real Executor, probably one of the best free executors for Roblox in 2026. And guys, in today's video, I'll be showcasing how to get it for free, how to actually run and use Real, and a bunch more. Now guys, first to actually install Real Executor, you could go to one of the links in the description, which will bring you to the official website for Real. However guys, I already installed Real and went through all the steps, so let's launch Real right now. Alright guys, so I finally have Real open. Now let's inject into Roblox and run the CUNC script. So inject. Alright guys, so I injected into Roblox. Now let's run the UNC script. And as you see guys, Real has a 96% success rate, 51 out of 53, with 3% test failed. So let's do the get calendar value test as well. Unfortunately, the get callback value test runs nil as well. Let's also do the level test, and as you see guys, Real is identity level 8, so that means this is a level 8 executor, the highest level you could possibly get. Now guys, let's get right into the myriad validity test. So run, and as you see guys, Real currently has a 84% pass rate with 22 failed on the myriad validity test. And now let's do the vulnerability test right now. So run, and as you see guys, they don't fail a single test on the vulnerability test. So that means Real is completely safe. But guys, that's the end of today's video. If you guys want to get